Meet Mark Renison, a coach turned entrepreneur. Over the years, he built a really dedicated social media following and turned those followers into paid subscribers of his membership. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how he did it and how you can do the same. Back when Mark first started teaching pickleball, he would host free clinics, but a lot of the time, no one ever showed up. So he decided to try a new approach. He launched a YouTube channel called Third Shot Sports and started uploading beginner pickleball tutorials. Pretty quickly, those videos started gaining traction, his followers grew, people began reaching out to him to book him for clinics, and before long, he was getting paid for his coaching. In the beginning, Mark kept things simple. He focused on creating beginner-friendly tutorials, the kind of top-of-the-funnel content that anyone new to pickleball could learn from. And his key was consistency. He showed up week after week with fresh videos, and that steady rhythm built trust. Before long, he had tens of thousands of followers across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Some of his videos even hit hundreds of thousands of views, giving Mark the credibility and the reach to take the next step. The next step for Mark was launching his membership, Pickleball Coaching International. With MemberSpace powering his website, Mark is able to sell access to things like a content library, online courses and digital downloads, ebooks, a member directory, and access to events and ongoing training. Instead of relying on his social media, Mark built a home for his coaching community, a place that he controlled with recurring revenue coming in every month. So let's chat about some of the ways Mark continues to use social media to promote the membership. Today, Mark's older content still works for him. Those beginner tutorials that he did years ago continue to rack up views and bring in new people every day. On top of that, he creates content aimed directly at coaches, free podcasts, live webinars, and intro courses, all shared across different social platforms. He also leans more into short form content, TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, where he talks straight to the camera. His tone is casual, personable, and relatable, which makes the content engaging and easy to connect with. And he doesn't shy away from promoting Pickleball Coaching International. Mark posts about the membership often, sharing pricing, what's included, and why it's valuable. Between the free value and those clear invitations, his followers always know the next step is to join the membership. And here's what's really cool. What started with empty pickleball clinics has now grown into a thriving global membership for coaches. Pickleball Coaching International has even become so successful that it was acquired by a major pickleball equipment company, which means they're ready to scale into something even bigger. And through it all, the strategy has stayed simple. Share generously on social media and then guide people into a membership. If you want to start making money from your own social media following, setting up a membership site might be your next step. It's the easiest way to turn your audience into paying members. And don't forget to subscribe. We will keep sharing real stories and strategies from creators building online businesses. Thanks for watching.